guys, this is Tekkerz Kid. And after the Pokemon Go video, I felt like doing some more football challenges. And today I'm here with Romello and the dad to do a woodwork challenge. The woodwork challenge has got to hit all parts of the goal, the crossbar and goal post. First person to hit all those parts of the goal is the champion. I think I'm going to win. You're going to come last and you're going to be first.
You're definitely going to come last.
And by the way, as you can see, Romello's got a new haircut, a high top. We're going to have a quick game of one bounce. The winner of one bounce gets to go first. Damn, I'm last. I got starting last.
Yes! I'm going first, Melo second, Lorenzo last. Right, so I'm up first. I'm going to start with the crossbar. Yes!
I knew he was going to hit the crossbar.
What a start. Straight away crossbar.
I'm gonna go left post.
I bet he's going to miss it. Hey!
That was terrible.
Right, it's my turn. I'm going to go with the crossbar. Well, that didn't go well.
That didn't go well.
Maybe I might score the next one.
I'm the only person to hit anything so far. This is going to be quick today. I'm not playing no games. Oh, I'm going to go for the right post.
Right post.
Right post. Oh my God! Why couldn't it just be the crossbar challenge?
No, I'm gonna go for the crossbar.
Hey!
Like a boss.
Hey!
Right, it's my second goal. Come on, Lorenzo. Come on, let's score. I'm going left goal.
Right then, I'm gonna go for the left post. Let's go.
I bet it's going to be guys.
Hey!
Yay! I'm gonna go right post.
Oh!
That was so close. Did you see the curl on that? That was unbelievable. Yeah?
Right, I'm going to go for the crossbar again, and I might score this one. Let's see.
Yay!
I'm so annoyed from that. I think I'm never going to live in a channel ever again.
Right, I'm up again. I'm going for the same post.
Yes! Finally!
That was so close.
Right then, I'm gonna go left post.
Oi!
Look, it's coming to me.
I'm doing that. I'm not even hit one yet. This might help. I'm going for the pose of the right.
Ooh.
Sweet didn't work.
Right, Mello's winning on this one, but I think it's going to take him ages to hit the other post though. No pressure or anything. Right post, right post. Oh, for God's sake, that crossbar.
Going for my left post, and it's the right one.
Please don't hit it. Yeah! Right, it's my turn. Come on. I'm going for the crossbar again. Come on.
Hey!
Finally hit something.
Yay! Me and Tekkerz Kid have one. Mello's got two. Better step up, man. Right post. Oh my God, I can't believe this now.
3 times in a row, you know.
Why do I keep hitting the crossbar?
Right then, we're going right post. Hopefully I can get it in.
Yes!
My turn. Come on. Come on. I'm going for the right post.
It was such a smidge away.
Right post I'm going for.
Oh, got it. Oh, got it.
Yes, I've hit it. Dad's losing. Let's see if I can hit my last one.
Tempted. Right, I'm losing at the moment, but you know what? No one said anything about forfeit challenges today, so I'm not actually that bothered. I'm still going to try and win this. Right hand post. The technique was there. The technique was there.
Right hand post.
Right, my turn. Romello has won, so let's see if I can come second.
Yes, I won! I wish it was a forfeit, you know.
I've only got right left, so let's see if I can hit it.
Guaranteed. Right hand post, guaranteed. In the bag.
Mine's gonna be in the bag. Yeah.
Oh!
The dad's lost! The dad's finally lost!
Oh, I don't know what to say. Damn! I can't believe this. I'm gonna go home and edit it out. No forfeiting it. Hang on. No one said anything about no forfeit.
Yeah, but we discussed it in the car.
Who said I was driving the car and sitting here?
Yes, remember? It was like, oh, what about eating dog food and that?
What?
No, remember?
Baby pieces, biscuits!
I'm not eating no dog food. No, you're not trying it. Nah, no way.
Yeah, and you was like, oh yeah, that might be a good idea, so that's what you said in the car.
Nah.
You said that in the car?
I can't believe it, man.
Yes, the dad's finally lost, and he has to do a forfeit eating dog food.
I've been framed in this one now. I've been framed. No one said anything about forfeit challenges before we started this. As soon as I'm last, yeah, they want to speak about eating dog food and beanie man's biscuits and all that talk. I can't believe that, man. I swear down. This is just ridiculous. I had it in the bag, to be honest. Do you know what I mean? They don't just get lucky, one shot. My technique's right. I felt confident. It just wasn't going in. But guarantee there's no way I'm eating Frankie's biscuits. I'm not eating no dog food. I can't believe you're not going to make me eat dog food.
So the dad lost and he has to eat dog food.
This is bad, man. I can't believe it. Oh my god, I'm not eating all of this. This is ridiculous. It's a lot. Oh my god.
Start with the big kids.
I'm not eating it all. You're mad.
Eat the big.
Ah!
Yes!
Yes!
It's high in protein. I think it is.
I don't.
Just eat it.
Eat the dog. Here, I don't dog. Look, no complaints, but the dad complained.
Oh, you want some more?
Hey, you gotta get one more. So I hope you enjoyed the dad eating dog food. Plus as well, he cheated on Pokemon Go, so he really deserved it. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Catch you soon, Tekkerz Kid out.